Good evening.
Ito si si Alvin, si Jared, tapos si
Here we are.
Del.
Here we are. Ito ang campsite na to. Ang dami nakakamp eh. So,
Wala tayo
it's 7:55 in the evening.
Malayo pa.
So, magka-camp muna. Good morning guys, Teo Travelers here. Time check 6:45. We're here at Mays Peak and we're experiencing a good clearing right now. So, this is it. Good morning guys, time check 8:40. We are descending down from Mays Peak. So hopefully makuha namin ang magandang oras, 6 to 8 hours pababa. So nag-fog na, then kaputik, pero kanina nakapag clearing kami na maganda sa view deck ng Mays Peak. So goods na. Second time around nagkaroon tayo ng magandang clearing. So see you sa baba. Hi guys, eto na yung descent namin. Talagang malakas yung hangin, foggy, and maputik. Yeah. Sobrang worth it lang dito is yung experience. Bonus na lang yung gandang clearing. Hi guys. Right now we're here at Camp 2. Time check 11:47. So hopefully mabilis lang tayo going to Camp 1. So at least ngayon third day, binigyan tayo ng magandang weather. Kuha kami ng magandang clearing sa Mays Peak and nakuha namin yung view ng knife edge. So, yun lang. See you at Camp 1. Hi guys, Alvin here. Right now, dito kami sa Camp 1. Time check is 1:10. So from here, going to bahay nila Jason, most probably mga 2:20 or max by 2:30 nandun na kami. So this is the end of our Olango Tampayan Traverse, Mount Giting-Giting. Thank you. Yeah. Hi guys, as estimated kanina, estimate namin 2:10. So right now, it's 2:10 in the afternoon and we're here at Kuya Jason's house. So this is the finish line of our Mount Giting-Giting Traverse from Ulango to Tumpayan Trail. So, thank you for watching. Okay. Guys, time check 4:56. We're heading to Cresta de Gallo with the team. Kakatapos lang namin mag Mount Giting-Giting Traverse from Ulango to Tumpayan Trail. So, here we go. Kunin mo natin yung cellphone dito. Mamaya na. Hi guys, we're here now at Cresta de Gallo. Ito yung reward namin after hiking one of the most difficult climb, Mount Giting-Giting. Kaya may mga injured tayong kasama. Masakit yung mga tuhod nila. Oh. 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 Time check, 6:05 PM. Yes, sir. Masaya kayo? Yes, sir. Mamaya, sana masaya tayong lahat. Hi guys, good evening. Alvin here from Desert PH. We just finished our hike of Mount Giting-Giting from Ulango to Tumpayan Trail. So right now, we are here at Cresta de Gallo. Ito yung isa sa mga reward after climbing the Mount Giting-Giting. So, right now, ito ulit. Bukas, umaga, wake up call by 5.
Tapos may mga ano kasi
We're heading back to Manila. Thank you for watching. Sino ang ano? Yung Cresta de Gallo.
Nandun yung sign.
Dito.
Meron ba dito?
Guys, ito nanghuli kami ng crabs na maliliit dito sa Cresta de Gallo. So right now it's 10 in the evening. Hindi pa naman ganun karami ang buwan namin. Ito sila. Yes sir. Kita ba? Yes. Yan, sa kamay mo. Yan. Sige, yan na. Oh, ito naman. Sige. Hey guys. Ano pa? Three travelers here. Yes sir. Yan siya. Sige, ito pa konti. Natusok yata eh. Ha? Natusok yata eh. Tusok ba? Patay. Oo, natusok. It's dead. Sorry, natamaan. Nasa pool. Okay, pwede pa yan mamaya. Okay. Pero laki oh. Laki diba? Natamaan eh. Yes sir, thank you. Kinagat. Wait lang. Hey guys, meron kami ulit na huli. Yung likod. Yung likod. Sige. Aray ko. Hindi, sa likod ka. Nasa harap yan eh. Ha? Sa likod ka. Sa likod. Yan, yung likod na sa harapan mo. Yan. Ito? Oo, yan yung likod. Ano? Yan. Sige. Okay guys, so huli ulit. Okay. Yun o. Sige. Yes sir. It's up.
morning, guys. Time check. It's 9:42 in the morning here at Cresta de Cali. I need to here 7. Alis na by 9. Basta talaga gawin Sibuyan natin.
Hi guys, good morning. Time check. It's 7:23 in the morning. Tapos na yung side trip namin dito sa Cresta. So, we're going back to Manila. Punta muna kami. To breakfast muna kami. Then, punta na sa Roro. So, thank you for watching.
Nalala mo siya. Ayoko nang bukas ng cellphone. Kasi nga, moist na yung siguro kung tinuloy ko ba?
Sira din.
Oo, sira.
Di ba kay El ganun din na nabasa din?
Ay, di tayo nag-group chat. Group chat? Group photo.
Oo nga.
Group pic!
Bye, Cresta. Salamat sa good memories.
or sila yung ibigay mismo ng certificate of completion each and every time na akin nag-video. Okay? Certification, pwede siya gamitin in any major drive na kailangan ng certification sa ibang bundok. Kagaya sa Tamata. Okay? Kailangan nila doon ng certification na after nila ng sa major drive. So, importante yung, yung certification. Pero importante rin naman kung sino yung nagbigay ng certification itself. Kasi may mga organizer lang din na nagbigay. I suggest, kung bibigay ng certification, may firma ng commission, may firma ng LGU, local government, ano. Okay? So, certificate of completion for successfully reaching the summit of Mount Iting with 2,500 MSL via Olango Trail exit to Kampayan Trail on February 24 to 26. Given 26 day of February at Mount Iting National Park Protected Area Management Office, Loudnet, Barangay Kampayan, Magpong Buwan Island, Luzon, signed by the head guide and area superintendent proudly presented to Pedro Law Montañana. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Okay.
Wala eh, wala.
Certificate of completion. Guys,
Saan
sila
tayo
ulit
pwesto?
na Fidela. Fidela to.
Oh, sige.
Fidel lang. Certificate of completion. Proudly presented to Multo, Multo, Muy nating lahat. Alvin Multo.
Thank you po.
Oh. Proudly presented to nag-a-upload ng cellphone sa labas.
Sino yan?
Antohan. Boy, Albert. Sagi. Certificate of completion presented to Sharon. Okay. So, certificate of completion presented to Ellen Rose. Certificate of completion presented to ang mabango ngayong oras. Certificate of completion presented to Lola Risley. Please leave. Okay, certificate of completion presented to Lorraine Dallas. Aling Maliit. Certificate of completion presented to the Iron Man, Jeffrey. Congrats sa inyo lahat, guys.
Congrats.
Alam naman natin na mahirap din. And that certification proves that you climbed it more than any other thing. So, yun lang, guys. Yes, sir. Or, give me sa pizza. Participate na pizza.
Hi guys, it's 4:50 in the afternoon. Alvin is here. So, right now, nandito kami sa beach house here in Ilango. In a few minutes, 30 minutes, we're going to Roro. We're going back to Manila. Enjoy kayo. Thank you for watching.
Sir, okay ka lang dyan, sir? Saan po yung sakayan ng barko dito?
Time check guys, 7:35 PM. Pabalik na kami ng Manila. Galing kaming Mount Giting-Giting from Pulango Trail to Tampayan. So bali naiwan kami kanina umaga kaya ngayon lang kami nakasakay. Isang kaway naman dyan. Yen. Winnie.
Balik na kami.
Okay. Okay, so pasok na kami ng barko.
Guys, good morning. Alvin here of Great Travelers. Right now it's 7:30 in the morning and we're approaching to Batangas Port. So, ito na yung end of travel namin ng Mount Iting-Iting Traverse, Lango Tampayan. So, thank you for watching.